Every jar of Hellmann's real mayonnaise begins long before the factory wakes. Precision starts with carefully collected fresh eggs. Only the cleanest ingredients continue down the line. Every batch is prepared for high-volume factory production. Plant oils form the smooth foundation of modern mayonnaise. Millions of harvested beans move toward industrial refinement. The journey continues inside high-capacity extraction systems. Raw harvest transforms into refined industrial ingredients. Raw harvest transforms into refined industrial ingredients. Acidity and balance give mayonnaise its signature flavor.
Acidity and balance give mayonnaise its signature flavor. Acidity and balance give mayonnaise its signature flavor.
Every flavor component is measured at industrial scale.
Raw ingredients begin their synchronized journey to the factory. An uninterrupted supply chain keeps production moving every hour.
Now the factory takes control of the process.
Timing and coordination drive every industrial delivery.
Fresh ingredients enter under strict environmental control.
Fresh ingredients enter under strict environmental control.
Industrial oil systems feed the heart of the factory. Every ingredient enters through controlled sanitary systems. Automation keeps materials flowing without interruption. Inside the factory, movement never truly stops. Strict hygiene protects every batch from contamination. Thousands of liters move through the plant every hour. Every stage is synchronized through constant oversight. Now the real manufacturing process begins. Behind these walls, industrial food production runs without pause. Every shift begins with discipline and routine.
Food safety begins before production even starts.
Consistency depends on carefully controlled environments.
Food safety begins before production even starts.
An invisible network keeps production flowing continuously. The transformation begins with industrial-scale preparation. Thousands of synchronized movements shape every batch. This is the core of large-scale mayonnaise production. Precision is maintained through constant monitoring. Every department feeds the production line in sequence. Temperature control protects flavor, texture, and safety.
We need to increase the flow to the cracking line immediately.
Human oversight keeps the entire system synchronized. Now the ingredients begin their transformation.
Every usable component is separated instantly.
Purity is maintained through continuous filtration. Careful temperature control protects freshness and texture. Every ingredient undergoes another layer of refinement. Exact measurements ensure every batch tastes identical. Even acidity is verified before blending begins. Now the factory prepares for large-scale mixing. Automation controls every gram and every second. Automation controls every gram and every second. Continuous inspection prevents even the smallest defect. Continuous ingredients now move toward one final product. Continuous ingredients now move toward the signature texture begins to take shape. Now the factory enters the heart of production. Industrial mixing transforms raw ingredients into a unified emulsion. Pressure and speed create the signature smooth consistency. Pressure and speed create the signature smooth consistency. Precise ingredient timing keeps production stable. Layer after layer of processing ensures uniform quality. Controlled temperatures preserve flavor and structure. Removing air creates a dense and creamy finish. Removing air creates a dense and creamy finish. Continuous sampling verifies consistency during production. The product moves continuously through sealed sanitary systems. Huge batches wait for the final production stages. The product is ready for industrial-scale packaging preparation. Packaging begins with perfectly prepared containers. Even the containers are sanitized before use.
Automation prepares for exact high-speed filling.
Automation, every container receives the same measured amount. Uniform appearance is part of industrial precision. Sealing protects freshness before the product leaves the line. Sealing protects freshness before the product leaves the line. Sealing protects presentation matters as much as protection. Sealing protects brand identity joins the production process.
Sealing protects brand identity joins the production process. Precision labeling keeps every product identical. Sealing protects brand identity built into every container. The finished jars now enter full-scale automation. Automation accelerates packaging at industrial scale. Every package begins as a carefully engineered structure. Every packet precise spacing keeps the entire line synchronized. Every container is verified before shipment.
Robotic systems handle thousands of cases every hour. Robotic systems handle thousands of cases every hour. Digital tracking follows every product leaving the line. Modern logistics now move with minimal human intervention. Behind every shipment is a network of constant coordination.
Confirmed. Outbound truck loading schedules are set.
Automation directs products with uninterrupted efficiency. Before distribution, every product faces final inspection. Automated sensors catch defects instantly. Perfect timing keeps high-speed production stable. Perfect timing keeps high-speed production stable. Retail packaging adds another layer of protection. Retail packaging adds another layer each package into its final retail form. Retail packaging adds another layer each package into its final retail form. Cooling locks the packaging into place. Automation maintains speed without sacrificing consistency. Even pallet stability is verified before shipment. Final products pause briefly for laboratory approval. Before release, samples undergo one final examination. The last stage of verification now begins. Every production batch undergoes detailed scientific review. Every production batch undergoes detailed scientific review. Chemical balance protects both flavor and safety. Invisible risks are checked before any shipment leaves. Packaging strength matters as much as product quality. Packaging strength matters as much as product quality. Products are tested against real-world storage conditions.
Data confirms the performance of every production batch. Human senses still play a role beside automation. Only approved batches continue toward distribution.
The warehouse responds instantly to laboratory clearance.
Every shipment is digitally tracked before departure. The final logistics phase ready to begin. The final logistics phase ready to begin. Every pallet is now ready for global distribution. Smart systems organize worldwide supply chains in real time.
All units, Dock 4 is now active for immediate loading.
Each shipment begins its journey with careful loading.
Documentation confirms every shipment is fully authorized. The factory releases its final product into the world. From factory to global markets, the journey continues. From factory to global markets, the journey continues. Behind every jar is a world of continuous production. Production never truly stops in a modern facility. Production never truly stops in a modern facility. Production never truly stops in a modern facility. Production factories produce mayonnaise from start to finish.